everyone! This is me, Miriam. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. At ngayon ay magluluto tayo ng pasta in red sauce. Ang ating gagamiting sauce ay Italian sauce na Arrabiatta. And now, let's cook with Miriam. We cook simple and easy Chinese and Filipino recipes. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Mayroon akong ingredients dito. We have the chicken and the onion and garlic. This is our pasta, and this is our sauce. This is sugo ali arrabbiata. This is Italian sauce. Now, sisimulan na natin i-boil ang ating pasta. In water, maglagay tayo ng oil. Then, maglagay tayo ng salt. Then, maglagay tayo ng pasta. So, boil natin siya ng 5 minutes. So, habang pinapakuluan natin yung ating pasta, ay luluto natin yung ating sauce. Maglagay tayo ng oil. And onion. Garlic, then chicken, okay, pag naluto na yung chicken, lagay na natin yung ating sauce. Then, boil natin siya for 3 minutes. So, after 5 minutes, the pasta is ready. Drain lang natin siya. Now, after 5 minutes, our sauce is boiling. So, off natin yung fire. Then, lagay natin yung pasta. Then mix well until the pasta mix with sauce.